Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of AI score. We click on settings. In this page here, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window here, you will click on AI score and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here we click on storage. Then you click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.